1. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to bypass MDM on iPhone or iPad. If you've reset your iPhone or iPad and now see the remote management screen, that means your device is locked by Mobile Device Management, MDM. And unless you have the admin username and password, you won't be able to access your device. In this video, you can learn how to bypass MDM lock without a jailbreak using Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner. First, connect your device to the computer. Then download and install Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner. You can find the software link in the video description. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. Now open the software. In the software interface, select Remove or Bypass MDM. Before you begin, please read the on-screen notes carefully. Click Start to initiate the MDM bypass process. This method will only remove the MDM configuration profile that's preventing access to the home screen. Keep your device connected to the computer during the entire process. Finally, your device will automatically restart. Now you can bypass the setup process to use your iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.